Okay, in this video we're going to see how to expand logarithms by working through some examples. So in this set of examples, we're going to given one or two terms, and the objective is going to be to express in terms of log A, log B, and log C. We're going to achieve this via the use of the logarithmic properties or laws of logarithms, which we looked at in an earlier video. But anyway, we have just summarized the four main ones here that we're going to use. Okay, so in part A, we have got the logarithm of ab squared over c cubed. So what I want to do here is want to express this in terms of log A, log B, and log C. So the first thing we're going to do is use this second property, which says the log of a fraction is the log of the numerator minus the log of the denominator. So in this case, the numerator is ab squared, and then take away the numerator is c cubed. And then in the first term, we can now use the first property, which says the log of a product is the log of the first term plus the log of the second term. So it means log of ab squared is going to be log of a plus log of b squared, and then of course we've got minus log c cubed. As far as what the question is looking for, then you can see that the first term is already okay because it's in terms of log a, but the second two terms we still need to work through them on them. Okay, so this one is the log of b to a power. We're going to use this property number 3 here, which says when you've got log of x to the power n, then you can always bring this x down, so it becomes n times that. So that means for the second term, this is going to be 2 times log b, and for the third term, it's going to be 3 times log c. Okay, it is now in the form that the question is asking for. All right, so we turn now our attention to part B. So in part B, we have the log of a squared over bc, log of a squared over bc plus the log of b squared c over a. So this time there are two terms, so but that is not a problem. We'll just apply the properties accordingly. So if we start with the property of log of a fraction, for the first term, it's going to be log of the numerator minus log of the denominator. Then for this term, again, it's going to be log of the numerator minus log of the denominator. This term is already okay, but the rest we still need to expand or simplify using properties For this first one, we can bring the 2 down, so it's going to be 2 times log A. For this one, we can use property number 1, but we need to be careful here by using brackets. So that one says log of BC. It's going to be log of B plus log of C. And then we're going to apply the same property with this one. So that one is going to be log of B squared plus log of C. Notice that I'm not using brackets this time. So the brackets are particularly important if the sign before the term you're dealing with is minus. Okay, and then of course that last time there is log A. What remains now is to use the property for the log of a power there, and then we are almost there. So we've got log 2 log A minus log B minus log C, that's this one. Then this one is going to be 2 log B, that's this one here, by bringing down the 2 plus log C minus log A. Then here you're going to notice that some terms will cancel out. Minus log C plus log C. Then 2 log A minus log A just gives us log A. And minus log B plus 2 log B just gives us log B. So that's what that expression is going to work out to, or simplify to. Okay, at this point we're just going to give you a chance to have a go at C and D. I want to pause the video, work through these two, then when you continue the video, then you can compare with our solutions. All right, we're now going to work through C and D. At this point, we'd like to thank you for visiting our channel and watching our videos. We hope that they are useful. We do implore you to subscribe to our channel to support our cause, so that we can make more videos. If you've got any questions and comments, you can post them in the comment section. All right, so for C, we're going to start with the property of the log of a quotient. So here the numerator is a cubed b, then minus the denominator is square root c. And then for the first one, we can now use the first property, which is the log of a product. So it's going to be log a cubed plus log b. Square root c is the same as c to the power 1/2. Then now if we use the power property, which is the third property that says log of x to the power n is n times log of x, so that means log a cubed is 3 log a, and log c to the power half, it's going to be 1/2 log c. And so this is now in terms of log a, log b, and log c, which is in the form that is required by the question. For D, we have got log of AB over C plus log BC over A. So the first term is going to be log b ab minus log c, using the property of the log of a quotient. The second term, by the same law or property, this is log bc minus log a. And then now for these two terms, we're going to use the first property. So that is going to be right. So this is going to be log a plus log b. So that's this term here. Then minus log c, which is this term. And then this one again is going to give us two terms. It's going to be log b plus log c. Then minus log a is this term here. Now log a minus log a is going to cancel out. Log c minus log c is going to cancel out. And it's just the log b terms that are going to add up to 2 log b. And that's going to be that. Right, thank you for watching.